The Honor X80 Pro Max is an upcoming mid-range smartphone officially scheduled to launch in China on June 22, 2026. The phone will feature a premium aesthetic finish in Vitality Orange, Lightning Red Moon Shadow, White Black Armor. Honor claims the phone remains relatively slim at 8.08mm and weighs 203 g. The Honor X80 Pro Max's display is a 6.8-inch 1.5K panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and ultra-slim 1.3mm bezels. With a 10,000 nits display, the phone adopts a premium flagship aesthetic with a prominent circular rear camera housing a 50MP primary sensor with OIS and an 8MP selfie shooter. Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 chipset, positioned as the first smartphone to carry Qualcomm's newest 4nm mid-range platform. With 8GB or 12GB of RAM paired with up to 512GB of internal storage. Despite packing an 11,000 mAh cell, supports ultra-fast 90W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.